It's kind of at a slant, though.
Any of this is going to be at a slant, though.
Yeah, true.
Fire! Hello, friends. We are camping again. It is finally fall time, kind of. It's pretty much fall time. Technically it is, but it's not that cool out, honestly. But it is, however, middle of October. We were supposed to be seeing Pine Grove tomorrow. Sadly, that was supposed to be today, I think. Sadly, we couldn't make that work. Disappointing, but it is what it is. Oh my god.
What?
Sexy man.
Hey.
Sexy Sasquatch. But yeah, pretty much why we chose not to go to that is just because, like, that shit was 9 hours away. It would have been way more expensive to do that than to come camp for the weekend. And camping just sounded better for us mentally, you know? So here we are. I'm not that mad about it, honestly. Luckily, we've seen them before, and I'm sure we'll see them again. We've been wanting to camp at this spot for a good minute, so I'm really, really hyped. Honestly, it's not that packed. No one's, like, right up next to us, which is really nice. What do you think of the ranger dude?
He was really cool.
He was chill as fuck. So yeah, we're staying here for 2 nights. Gonna be a good time. It might rain tonight. Honestly though, it might just pass over us, just like it did last time. So, we'll see. But we actually put the rain hood on for the very first time the correct way. I'm happy we figured that out though, just in case. He's getting the fire started, and I'm gonna go ahead and get dinner stuff going. I decided to bring a HelloFresh because it's just burgers, and I was like, oh wait, that's kind of perfect because we always make burgers and potatoes over the fire anyway, so we're I nailed the nut. Holy shit, my life flashed before my eyes. We also decided to step it up. We got a pot, and since it is fall time, it's supposed to be on the cooler side, I think, tomorrow and Sunday. We're gonna be making some soup. I brought rice too. I'm gonna attempt to make some rice. Maybe tomorrow night, or maybe like with soup or something. I don't know. I didn't bring anything to make with rice, but I really just wanted to try making rice in the woods, so we'll see. But tonight we're having burgers. Tonight we have Beast.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, we got our drinks. We got dinner going. Try this. It's sour.
That's fucking good.
Yeah, you can't even taste the alcohol.
Wow.
This is good stuff.
Look, it's raining.
It's raining.
Sprinkling.
Whoa, it is. It's raining. It's barely raining. But it actually looks really beautiful. It's a nice, like, gloomy, almost foggy night. Very light rain. That was so sour. We just had burgers and potatoes in the rain, right in front of the lake. It's quite the mood. Now we're gonna make some s'mores. Yeah. Good. Good morning, friends. It is fucking bright.
It really is though.
So, we forgot bacon. It happens. It's okay. So we're just having eggs and toast today. We fell asleep super early last night. I don't know. I got really tired. We think it was also the rain. We have also come to the conclusion that the people next to us, they're not really like right next to us, but we can hear like their music and stuff. Yo, they like did not sleep last night. I slept like hellas last night. It's like 8:30 and I'm pretty sure I fell asleep around like 8:30 last night, so I'm running off full like 12 hours of sleep right now. Chris peed himself last night.
Don't tell them that.
Just barely. Just barely.
I did no such thing.
He saved it, okay? It's fine.
That's the first time I've ever fucking pissed the bed. Like, honestly.
And of all places to do it while we're camping.
There wasn't enough pee to soak to the bed.
Exactly.
I caught myself just in time.
Is that mine?
Yep.
Let me flip it myself. Mansplaining our eggs.
Okay, yeah, you take care of the rest.
Yeah, I will.
Because I gotta eat mine.
Alright, damn. And then we realized up the hill over yonder, it's all like RVs, and boy, their generators are fucking loud. But they're far enough away that it doesn't really bother me too much. I don't know. It could be worse, you know?
Do you want toast too with yours?
Yeah, of course. What do I look like, Neanderthal? That doesn't like toast.
Dude, you would be a Neanderthal if you didn't like toast. I brought the flannel. It is a little on the chilly
I
side.
tried to tell you.
I love it though. I'll start sweating once we get up the trail a little more though.
We made it!
Yes, we did.
Wow! Oh my goodness, this is so pretty.
Oh.
You always do that. Maybe the one over there. Yeah. Just because it's shiny, I don't know. Who gets first bite?
Guess that's me.
Where are you going?
Get the water. In case it's fucking chalky again. Okay. I'm nervous.
Did I call it on the right one?
It's really chalky still. Oh.
I just licked it. Yeah, chalky is like the only word for it.
It tastes good though.
Fuck that shit.
parking.
Honestly, if you want to skip this spot, that's okay. We can just go back to the fucking thingy and... This is fucked. I don't even think I want to be around this many people right now, to be honest with you. Yeah, fuck all that. Well, y'all, Garden of the Gods was a bust. It's okay. We've been there so many times, it's okay. But we're gonna stop into this cute little store, get some ice, get some firewood, then we're gonna go make some soup. Probably gonna take a nap, honestly. Veggie soup is on the grill. Oh my god, this is the perfect fall time lunch. And we're making some toast to go with it. Because why not? We have been blessed with a beautiful sunset tonight. Dinner on the grill.
Early the next morning.
Well, y'all, we cleaned up camp. I really didn't vlog that much last night, and I definitely did not vlog pretty much at all this morning, but we pretty much just woke up, made breakfast, and decided to break down camp because I'm tired. I'm ready to be home with my kitties. I need an iced coffee, you know, whole 9 yards. So,
Hey guys.
yep, we're gonna go home. Another solid camping trip. This is one of the prettiest spots that we've camped at yet, so I'm happy. I feel refreshed. Bro, we're on the ride home, and I just had to document, for one, how disgustingly greasy my hair is. And for two, I just brushed it for the first time in days, and y'all, I had a mat right here. That has never happened to me. It was a little embarrassing, honestly, but I combed it all out, and I'm looking greasy. I truly cannot wait to get home and shower.
Eventually.
I am home. I am showered. I am clean. I feel so much better. This was such a good camping trip. I just had to come on here and say a proper goodbye. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you spending this time here with me today. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching us go on our little camping trip. And guess what? We have another one coming up in like 2 weeks, and it might even be more epic than this one. So make sure you subscribe, and I will definitely be posting a vlog from that. So yeah, that's all. I love you guys. Bye.